Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Verizon. So let me take you to the website, which is verizon.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Verizon is a major American telecommunications company providing wireless, internet, and TV services. It operates one of the largest mobile networks in the US and offers business solutions, including 5G and cloud services. Known for its reliability and extensive coverage, Verizon serves both consumers and enterprise. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore about them, and get yourself the services if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Verizon. Is it possible? Of course, simply join the affiliate program of Verizon, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, doesn't matter, the personal plans or the business plan, you will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of Verizon's affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them? Well, you could promote them to the consumers of US in order to get commission. Now, how do you join the affiliate program of Verizon? For that, let me take you to the website called cj.com. Now, what is CJ and what does it have to do with Verizon's affiliate program? So CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between affiliates and brands. So in order for the affiliates to join the respective brand's affiliate program, they should be joining the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Verizon, you must join CJ as an affiliate, and that will be free of cost. So how do you create an account with CJ? For that, you can click on Get Started and you can fill up the form. You can go through with the registration and you will end up getting an account for yourself. Now I understand there are many nuances involved, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use CJ affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Just click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account with CJ. Once you get an account with them, the affiliate account, simply click on login, which will take you to the login screen, enter your credentials, which will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now in CJ, they call affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. Now once you're here on the publisher dashboard, you could even explore other brands as well, but the focus of this video is just Verizon. So how do you find the affiliate program of Verizon's? For that, you can hover over partners and you can click on find advertiser, which will take you to the section over here on the left hand side. You can search for Verizon, just type in their name, and you will see multiple programs up there. So you can go with the first one and the second one that says Verizon and Verizon Business. So these two programs. Once you've selected these two from the search result, click on search and you will end up seeing their affiliate program on the right hand side. Now the first one you see, that's the personal one that we were talking about. If you come here, you'll see personal and you'll see business. So the first one you see here, that's the personal one, and this is the business one. So let's talk more about the personal one first. So if you click on their name, you get to see more details like what they offer, the description and everything. There's a contact detail as well that you can reach out to. But if you want to know the commission, you can click on program terms. Over here, you can see the commission they're providing. So for home, 5G home activation, you could get 75 US dollar per order. That's great. And then there are other things as well that they provide, like for prepay service plan, they give $30 USD. For new service contracts, $75 USD. And if you scroll down, you can even see more like policies. These are the things that you are allowed to do and you're not allowed to do. So ensure you read this carefully before you apply to them. So this way you know what you can do and what you can't do. And if you come here to the Verizon business, just click on the name and you get to see more about them as well. You can read the program description, and if you want to know about the commission, simply click on program terms. And as you can see, Verizon business lead, if you generate, and if it's a qualified lead, then just on lead generation, you can get $35 per order. And if it's a business contract sale, then you could get $125 per order. Now that's great, isn't it? So you could see which of these affiliate programs suits you, and if both these affiliate programs suits you, you can apply to them. How do you apply to them? Simply click on apply to the program. When you do that, it will open a new window where you can get to see their terms and conditions. So you can read the terms and condition, and once you have read it, you simply have to click on accept and apply, and your application to the Verizon affiliate program team would go. Sometimes these brands have something called application decline, like auto application decline. In case if you get decline from Verizon affiliate program, it could be due to many reasons. In that case, you simply have to write an email to them requesting them to approve your application or to consider you. You might want to give them your account details. So like when you create an account, if you hover over your name in here, you will see an ID associated with your account. So maybe you can give them their account and you can request them to reconsider and approve you into their program. Now, since we applied for the Verizon one, the first one, let's apply to the Verizon business as well. In case you're interested for that, you can click on apply to the program once again, and it will open the terms and condition once again and click on accept and apply. Right, so after applying to Verizon Business Program as well, doesn't matter if you have applied to one or you have applied to both, you can give them a couple of weeks time to consider your application, and during the time they'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. Now, I understand in case you get auto rejection in both the affiliate program, don't get disappointed. Simply write an email to them, provide them your account ID, and tell them how exactly you intend to promote them. And this could help you to get their approval as well. Now, once you get the approval from them, how would you know? You will be notified by an email. And once you get the approval, you can simply hover over partners and come to my advertiser. You will see them listed here. So these are all the approved advertisers. Now, let's say you got the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use your tracking link, the affiliate link which are associated to you. So how do you get your tracking link? For that, you simply hover over campaigns, you go to link and product, which will take you to this section. Over here on the left hand side, you have to search for Verizon. But since I'm yet to get approval from Verizon, I can search for my other program just to give you a demo. So let's search for this one. So I'm approved from justflowers.com. Now let's assume you get approval from Verizon. You can search for Verizon in here. And if you want to see the banner link from Verizon, simply click on banner and search. So this way you would be able to see the banner link of Verizon, assuming you select the Verizon from here and you get the approval. And it could take a few seconds to load, but once all the banner links are loaded, you can click on any banner link that you like. Let's say this is the banner of Verizon. So you can click on the name, which will open all these details. You can click on get code, and there will be a code that you can get from here. This will be an HTML link code. You can go to JavaScript to get JavaScript code. You can also click on click URL to get the click URL. Now, let's say you are not interested in getting a banner link, but you want to create your own tracking link. How do you do that? Simply take the link from the website. Let's say you want to create a link, tracking link for this link. You can take it, you can come here, and this time, instead of searching for banner, you can search for text link. You can click on search. So assuming you're searching for the text link of Verizon, you can click on search and give it a few seconds to load. So you get to see text links available for Verizon. And once you see them here, just click on any link, doesn't matter. Click on get code, and over here you will see destination URL. So you can replace it with the destination URL that you wanted to create tracking link for, and simply click on update code. So this will update the code. Basically, you can take the click URL from here. So this will become your tracking link. Now for the tutorial purpose here, I have been using Just Flower, but this is assuming you get the approval from Verizon. So you can search the banner link. So you can also use a text link to create your own tracking link. Similar to this, if you are interested to get the product links of Verizon, simply click on products from the left hand side, search for Verizon in here and click on search. You will be able to see the product links if provided by Verizon in here. Let's assume you see a product link of Verizon. Simply click on the product name over there, click on get code, and you would be able to get your code from here, HTML, click URL, image URL. So this is how you can either get the links of Verizon, or you could create your own tracking link, totally up to you. Now you got the access to the tracking links where can you exactly promote Verizon? That's another question. There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one of the ways is your website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, simply pick a place where you feel like is more suited for your audience and put the advertisement of Verizon there. Maybe on homepage, maybe on category page. Think about it and use it accordingly. Second is the blog. Now, blog could be great here because you could write blog posts about Verizon, the services of Verizon, and put your tracking link somewhere in your blog post. So this way, when the readers would click on your tracking links will buy the contract of Verizon, you'll end up getting commission. The third way is social media. Now, this will be great because social media basically allows you to create a lot of content. You could do reels, you could do posts, you could create videos. There are other things as well you could do. So, social media allows you to go with many options, see whatever is more suited to promote Verizon, and you can go with it, but ensure you're following the policies. The fourth way I feel like would be even better here, that is business services website. Now, people come to the business services website to see, to understand what kind of service that are available to them. So maybe you might want to create a web page or a category page on your business services website that kind of covers telecommunication section and probably feature Verizon in that category. So this way, when people would come to your website, probably go to the telecommunication site category of your website and might find Verizon over there, click on your tracking link, will buy the contract from there, you will end up getting commission. So these are some of the ways you could promote Verizon, but ensure whatever way you're choosing, you must have given that online presence details in CJ while registering with them. All right, so let's say you started promoting them, but what would you see your performance? That's another question, isn't it? For that, you can come to the homepage of CJ affiliate dashboard once again. Once here, you can hover over reports and you can go to performance under program insight. That will take you to this section here. You can use date range and you can see your metrics, your performance here accordingly. Then you can also go to reports performance, which will take you to the section. You can run performance by website, link, advertiser, and all these things that will give an idea. You can also use date range. Now, let's say if you are interested to see transactions, reported transactions, for that, hover over reports and go to transactions, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can use different metrics here to see the reported transaction. Now, all the commission that gets generated, you would be able to see on the top right hand side, and you can expect CJ to issue that commission to you once it exceeds the minimum payment threshold value, and that is $50. But you have to ensure you must have updated your payment details, and to update your payment details, you must hover over account, you must go to settings, and over there you have an option to update the payment method to either direct deposit or international bank transfer via Payoneer. So you could go with any of these two methods. And once you have updated your payment details, you can expect to receive commission from CJ for all the transactions that you have brought to Verizon. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Verizon. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Verizon. For me, if you got any question in relation to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.